Alif, ba, ta. I know, so easy squeezy like lemon squeezy. It's time for our Arabic adventure with Miss Mariam. So make sure you watch carefully and you listen carefully. So, marhaba!
Assalamu alaikum kids. Welcome back to Learn Arabic with me, and today we are going to learn some new phrases in Arabic. Today we are going to learn about direction, and we are going to start with Yasar. Yasar, left. Yameen, right. Amam, in front. Khalf, behind. Ala, up. Asfal, down. Shimal, north. Janub, south. Sharq, east. Now let's repeat together. Yasar, left. Yasar, left. Yameen, right. Yameen, right. Amam, in front. Amam, in front. Khalf, behind. Khalf, behind. Ala, up. Ala, up. Asfal, down. Asfal, down. Shimal, north. Shimal, north. Janub, south. Janub, south. Gharb, west. Gharb, west. Gharb, west. Sharq, east. Sharq, east. And Alhamdulillah, we are done with our today's lesson. Let's meet on the next lesson. Ma'as salam.